سيسي جيب الورقة.
Oh, no, 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 no. See, that's why you stay in your jail cell and you stay in your jail cell. That's how we do this. Everybody's in their own jail.
Really just unplugged the fan because I wasn't paying enough attention to him. Stop! You're gonna get electrocuted!
My cat likes to test me when it comes to scratching my couch.
Hey!
Stop! It. Max.
Max.
Look at that little nose.
Oh.
What are you doing? Jordan.
Little quarantine pro tip for you. If you're stuck home alone and you don't have any friends, it's real easy. Just summon one from hell.
God bless.
You tired from all the brushing? Don't worry. I got you a pillow.
Buddy? That's not looking too good, bud. I don't think you realize what's going on, buddy. What are you, stupid?
Okay, but why do you assume it was me? You left for the bathroom, unprofessional, by the way, and I sat right here. Maybe it came like that, and you just didn't notice.
I've told you so many times not to get up there and not to play with the cords. All right, I'll get you down.